travel can be stressful. I know at least it is for me. Tomorrow we leave for our vacation and we couldn't be more excited, but I stress out every single time to pack. So I wanted to share with you guys what helps me make sure that I haven't forgotten anything at all. Packing doesn't start here. It starts with the list, making sure you get everything you need and not leave anything behind. So the number one thing for me is my medicine because I get migraines. Another little trick when you're getting ready to go and you're kind of late, like I usually always am, and you have to straighten your hair or curl it or whatever, this is what I do. I lightly wet a washcloth, and let me see if I can do this as I'm holding the phone. I take this and I just keep on with it. So it cools it off so I can go ahead and pack it. So we've made it to the airport and we're just waiting to board our plane. But I just wanted to say you can literally forget almost anything, but there are three main things that you absolutely can't just go out and buy. One is being your ID, the other is your credit or debit card, and your phone. Make sure those are the three main things that you absolutely have before you leave the house. But your ultimate goal is to enjoy your vacation.
Don't forget to check out my book, The Obesity Solution. It's available on Amazon and the link is provided below. It has a lot of tips on weight loss, low-calorie recipes, weekly meal plans, and much more.